everyone, and welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install Pam's Harvestcraft in Minecraft 1.12.2. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you it's brought to you by Game Servers. Go to the breakdown.xyz/MC server. First link down below to get an awesome 24-hour DDoS protected Minecraft server for just $1 per month. It's the best deal out there, and we use them ourselves. We swear by them, so go check them out. Again, that's the breakdown.xyz/MC server. First link down below. So how do we install Pam's Harvestcraft? Well, first off, we need to download and install Forge, which you can find at the second link down below, the breakdown.xyz/Forge. Scroll down and you'll be able to see this big green download Forge button. Click on it and it will take us off to MinecraftForge.net, where we want to find Minecraft 1.12.2, which is already selected for us. If it's not selected there, for example, say it says MC 1.12, we want to then come over here and click on 1.12.2 on the side. Boom. Now, we want to go under Download Latest and click on Installer. That will then take us off to Add Focus, where you don't want to click anything. Don't click anything on this page whatsoever until you see the red skip button appear up in the top right up here. Once you see the red skip button, click that and it will download Forge right here. Now we're going to have to save it and make sure it does say Forge at the beginning and then .jar at the end. And if it does, we can keep that file. I promise Forge is safe. It's been downloaded by millions upon millions of people. Now we need to install or download Pam's Harvestcraft. To do that, go to the third link down below, which will take you here, where we then want to click on Files right there. And then we want to scroll down until we see 1.12.2 and the most recent version. So right there, that's what that is. Minecraft 1.12.2 is the game version. It is release version. We're good. All this is good. It's great. Now we just want to click on the download file button right there. It's been downloaded 45,000 times, so I know it is safe to keep the file. We can then minimize our browser, and on our desktop we have both Forge right there and Pam's Harvestcraft. If you don't have that, no worries. Hit the Windows key on your keyboard, which looks like the Windows icon up here in the top left of my screen or the bottom right of your screen, and hit R at the exact same time. So we're hitting the Windows key and R at the exact same time. That will open up the Run program, or we then want to type in Downloads. Hit enter and you should find your files here. If they are here, just take them and drag them to your desktop for ease of use. Now, once we've done that, we can close out of our downloads folder and we need to install Forge. Do this by right-clicking on it, opening with Java TM Platform SC Binary. We then want to click on Install Client and click OK. It'll now go through, download, and successfully installed Forge Client Profile. Awesome. Click OK there. Now we can drag this to the side. Now let's get Pam's Harvestcraft installed. To do that, hit the Windows key on your keyboard again and R at the exact same time. We're opening up Run again. And this time, instead of downloads though, we want to type %appdata%. %, app data, %, and then click enter. It will then open up a roaming here, where we then want to go into .minecraft, and then we want to find our mods folder. But Nick, what if I don't have a mods folder? Well, don't freak out, just create one. Right click, create a new folder, title it mods, MODS, all lowercase, exactly like that, and then open your newly created mods folder. Into it, you want to click Pam's Harvestcraft and drag it in. Boom. It is now installed. Let's open up the Minecraft launcher. While we're doing that, I want to remind you guys to please subscribe to the channel and like the video for more awesome tutorials and content every single day of the week. It really does mean the world to us. Now, once we're in the Minecraft launcher, let's go ahead and click on the little green arrow here next to the play button. This will then open up all of the profiles we have in Minecraft. Go ahead and click on Forge, and then you should be able to click play and it should launch correctly. If it doesn't, no worries. Just come back to the Minecraft launcher, go over here to Launch Options, then find that Forge profile. Right here it is. Click on that, and then click on the drop-down box next to Version. Once you've done that, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, where you'll most likely have different versions of Forge. Click on the one that's for 1.12.2, right there you see that, as well as the most recent. So in my case, that's going to be 2.6.5.4, because that's a lot more recent than 2.6.2.5. So click on that, click on save, and then go back to news over here. We then want to confirm yet again that the Forge profile is selected. Then we can click play. It will now open up Minecraft 1.12.2 with Pam's Harvestcraft installed. I will meet you guys on the Minecraft main menu. Once you're on the Minecraft main menu, it's really easy to see if Pam's Harvestcraft is in fact installed. You can just click the mods button here and then scroll down, and there you go, Pam's Harvestcraft. Simple as that. However, we can also launch into a single player world here and be able to see Pam's Harvestcraft. By the way, that error you just saw, you won't have. I installed a mod and then deleted it, and it didn't like that. But now that we're in here, we can hit E and go over, and there's all of the freaking stuff Pam's Harvestcraft adds. It adds a ton of stuff, guys. This is one of my favorite mods to kind of change up the food in Minecraft. You know, we all use the same chickens and pigs and all that stuff that we eat in Minecraft. This adds stuff like juice and stuff like that. It's really, really cool and a really fun mod overall. Nevertheless, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's a new channel. We're trying to build it here, so your subscriptions really do mean the world to us. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below telling us if the tutorial worked, and if it didn't, let us know. We'll more than happily help you out and get it to where it can work for you. So, nevertheless, again, my name is Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I'm out, guys. Peace.